Hey guys, Big Wheel Dog 82 in the soil, and it's finally time for my garlic harvest for hashtag Garlic Challenge 2025. So here we are. Now, you all know, if you followed along, that I've only got the single bulb. So here's hoping that this bulb is an epic bulb and at least become close to being the winner of the single biggest bulb. But we won't know that until we get it and we weigh it. So from here, I'm going to go get the pot, bring it in here into the garage because it's blazing hot today. That way we can go and try to do the pulling of it, the trimming of it, and then the weighing of it all in one shot without having to cut away or anything. No promises, I'm just gonna try. So let's go get that pot and we'll bring it in here. Alright, so now we have my garlic sitting right here and it's already flopped over. So here we go. We're pulling this bad boy out of here. Let's see how easy this is gonna be. Okay, it is not wanting to come out. Alright, this is what we're going to do. Let's dig it out a little bit first. Okay, there we go. That's making a little headway. Now, let's see if we can pull it. There we go. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Look at that beauty. It's not too bad, huh? Not too bad at all. Just like Chad, I'm gonna go ahead and clean this puppy off a little bit. Just a little bit. I'm not going to take too much off. And now I'm going to go ahead, my camera here, cut off my roots, get rid of that weight. There's that. And then within an inch of the top of the bulb, we're going to cut. So put my fingers here. And I'm gonna cut. Alright. And there we have my one bulb. Now here's gonna be the tricky part. I've got to position my camera down, which we're gonna do right here on camera. Let's see if I can get this. And then we're going to zoom in just a little bit. Okay. Can you see that? Can you make that out? Yes, we can. Trying to move this into a way where you can actually see it. Good? Alright. Look, we're going to go this way. Okay, there we are. Okay, so I'm going mode. It's in ounces right now. Tear the weight. Here we go. And this bad boy weighs 4.8 ounces by itself. 4.8 ounces. We're going to zoom into that so you guys can see that. 4.8 ounces. Wow, 4.8 for that. She's a beauty though. There we go. So just like that, the garlic challenge is done for me for this year, and this is what I got. even though it's a single clove, I think it's kind of a nice one, don't you? I mean, it could be worse. I could have got 0, and that would have really, really hurt. But having this final garlic, so I can sit there and say that I did it myself, I grew it, it's awesome. So, whoever ends up being the winner of this, I have no idea, but I can't wait to see it. I really do hope this A competes, but B, there's others who are really in the thick of winning it as well. So good luck to everybody. Don't forget to get your submission videos in the description and the title. Make sure you put the hashtag Garlic Challenge 2025 in it. That way everybody can see what you guys are doing and what you're turning in and get in the running. So with that, I'm Big Well About 82 in the soil, and I'm out. See you guys later.